Here is a problem on average speed calculation. Let's read the problem. A train travels at a constant speed of 60 km per hour for 2 hours and then at a constant speed of 80 km per hour for 3 hours. Find the average speed of the train over the total interval. So there are two parts. This is for the first part. This is for the second part. Now let us see how to calculate it. This is the starting point and this is the first part of the journey, and then this is the second part of the journey. In the first part, let us assume that the speed is v1 and the journey lasts for time t1, and second part takes place at a speed v2 and lasts for time t2. I am writing the answer in terms of variables so that you can arrive at a generic result, and substitution gives you the answer easily. So average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. Now let's assume that the first part of the journey happens over a distance s1, the second part happens over a distance s2. Thus this becomes s1 plus s2 divided by t1 plus t2. Let me call this as equation number 1. Now look at this one. So we need the values of s1 and s2. How to calculate? Now if you consider the first part of the journey, can I write v1 is equal to s1 divided by t1? That's right. So we have s1 is equal to v1 into t1. Similarly, for the second part of the journey, v2 is equal to s2 divided by t2, which gives us s2 is equal to v2 into t2. This set of equations is 2. So with this, equation 1 takes the form average speed is equal to v1 t1 plus v2 t2 divided by t1 plus t2. Now let us go for the substitution. v1 t1, what is v1? 60. What is t1? 2 hours. What is v2? 80, and t2 is 3, whole divided by 2 plus 3. This is nothing but 120 plus 240 divided by 5. Further, this is 360 divided by 5. That's right. So now the average speed is nothing but 360 divided by 5. So if you simplify it further, how much do we get? 72 km per hour. Therefore, the average speed is equal to 72 km per hour.